Happy birthday, Bossed. Happy birthday, Bossed. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bossed. 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 Bro, just last week, me and the dog are reasoning, brother. Happy birthday, Bossed. And the dog tell me a whole heap of prison story. Eh? I might tell the dog, say, yo, bro, I'm not gonna lie to you, you know. You see some of them story there, bro, just create content about it, bro. Just shoot a 1 minute or a 2 minute video and just broke them up piece, and just drop them one every 2 days or one every 3 days. Yeah, man, happy birthday, Bossed, man. Happy birthday, Bossed. Happy birthday, fully. Happy birthday, Bossed.
I feel like, bro, yo, Father have mercy, Father. Father, me send out, the other day, me send out a prayer, me send it and me say, yo, people, you tell it, me give the rankers, them and the TikTokers, the Psalms, Psalms 109, Psalm 59, bro.
Tap up like on a bomb clad place loyalty. Can't grow in a garrison and start make a food and turn in a fucking garrison. Oh, not deaf when me talk. No go and try impress who in a bomb clad garrison cause I don't know bomb clad come from.
You see, if you have a constant source of income, bro, fuck where you come from, brother. Them same people are the same one you're going to bring you down, brother. Make them say you get rich and switch. Who gives a fuck? You start make money, bro, leave the world behind, brother. It sound fuck up. I know it sound fuck up. But Gage not lie. Me not lie. You start make certain amount of money constantly, brother. Leave the fucking place. When you hear blam them I tell Jaden to go rent a residential house, no. But you see blam them now, he might say certain things for joke and him say this, but he was dead serious when he might tell Jaden say, if you go rent somewhere where it makes sense, rent a gated community. Go rent a gated community. Security there front and everything. If we have people at Jamaica right now, we don't have to worry. We don't have to worry. Your gated community not even safe. It's safer than ungated community. It's safer than ungated community. Me see somebody say, this is turning on one wicked trend. Just Kev, I said it already, I'm going to say it again. This right here is the opening of the floodgates for danger reaching TikTokers. This right here, it just opened the floodgate for more danger reach more TikTok. Just watch. Just watch.
Yeah. One try do that.
Crypto, just be careful.
Don't do that.
Yeah, man, the floodgate just open, man.
You're turning on a yard. Turning a yard, you're bomb up, man. I did in a yard.
What about that prominent new anchor? She lived in a gated community. I have no idea. What happened to her? She got unalived in her gated community?
I'm turning on a yard. Left it bomb up like garrison once you can't do it.
Rest in peace to that lady.